In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get a custom cursor here in Windows 11. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is download a custom cursor. You can really use any website that you would like, as long as it offers both free and paid cursor packs. I would recommend just opening up any web browser of your choice and just going to deviantart.com/tag/cursors. You could go ahead and take a screenshot of this if you would like. But once you're on this page, simply go ahead and scroll through and find whatever it is that you're trying to use as your cursor. There overall is a lot of different options that you can go ahead and use. Let's just say I want to use this like Three of Hearts one right here. Essentially select it and then hit this log in to download option and just log in with like a Google account. And once you do sign in, you'll have the option to download it just like so. Go ahead and just drag this onto your desktop for easy access. Once you go ahead and drag that onto your desktop, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and type in mouse settings just like so and open it up. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. When you're on this page, scroll down and you're going to look for an option that says additional mouse settings. Go ahead and open that up, and in this section you're going to see a bunch of different little things. Go ahead and choose pointers, and once you are in pointers, essentially go ahead and hit browse and you're going to see all of these other options on here. Select wherever you put that new cursor and then scroll down, select it and hit open. And then from here, simply go ahead and select it, hit apply, and then hit OK. And as you can see, we now have this brand new cursor. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.